The Chief of Defense Forces of Uganda has once again gone tough, gone controversial with his tweets. He has gone on another serious tweeting spree, talking about the conflict in South Sudan and also what they call the mighty Uganda People's Defense Forces. The CDF Muhoozi has talked about somebody needing in South Sudan and also what his father told him to make UPDF become. Let's ride along this. Well, on Friday, the CDF visited Rwanda for defense cooperation, and video has just surfaced online. On Friday, General Muhoozi, Chief of Defense Force of Uganda's People's Defense Forces, visited the Rwanda Defense Force Command and Staff College in Musanze. I will be excited to see him take office as the president for that country. Urinde Mera is the one who made that statement. In the visit, Muhoozi participated in a lot of things, including discussing defense cooperation between Uganda and Rwanda, and as well as border peace, the border between Uganda and Rwanda. And also he planted trees to show the importance of tree of protecting our environment. But after coming back, Muhoozi went on a rampage of words. He said Dr. Riek Machar is going to kneel down in front of Afande Salva. I will help him with that. I want the stupid fighting to end. Our people do not have to die for this misunderstanding. I also want 1,000 cows from the Nuer people. A guy by the name Baba Lade said, we want to know if it is South Sudanese or Ugandan planes that are bombing in the Upper Nile. Muhoozi replied without waste of time, said, they must be from your nose. Have you checked? And then he went ahead to say, my father, General Yoweri Museveni, told me a couple of months ago that I must make UPDF a killing machine. That's what we are working on. Gathak Paul, by someone by the name Gathak Paul, said, you will never be president if you don't feel the suffering of Nuer people and the good things Nuer tribe is now making deal with sensible President Bobby Wine and see the results. You will not like it, Bobby. And Machar, you are mocking, will hang you one day. Muhoozi replied to the guy saying, Nuer should surrender before we wipe them out. So, in other words, the Chief of Defense Forces of Uganda means if the Nuer tribe of South Sudan does not surrender, then ethnic cleansing will happen to them. Muhoozi went ahead and said, if the Nuer elders are wise enough to give me 1,000 cows, I will stop attacking them. And those are all from the Chief of Defense Forces, General Muhoozi, who just came back from Rwanda. Thank you.